In the previous video, we talked about 3D shapes and animated elements. But today, we're focusing on one of the most powerful and most practical sections inside Canva's Elements panel: frames, grids, and mockups. These three features alone can instantly make your designs look clean, professional, and organized even if you're a complete beginner. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. Let's start by setting up your design. Head over to canva.com and log in to your account. On the left-hand panel, click on Create. For this tutorial, choose Presentation so we can clearly see how everything works on a slide. Once your blank canvas opens, go to the left side panel and click on Elements. Now scroll down and look for frames. This type of element is not just a flat shape that has some doodle on it. They are placeholders that allow you to drop photos, videos, or graphics directly inside them. That's the big difference. A normal shape just sits on your canvas, but a frame can contain any content. Click on a basic square frame, and it will appear on your slide. Now go to Uploads on the left panel and drag any image directly over the frame. Once you hover over it, you'll see the image snap perfectly into place. Release your mouse, and it's automatically cropped inside the frame. This saves you so much time. If you want to adjust the image inside the frame, double-click on it. You can reposition it, zoom in, or zoom out without affecting the frame itself. Click outside once you're done to lock it in. Now here's a powerful tip. Don't just use basic square frames. Scroll through the frame section and you'll see circles, letters, numbers, device shapes, and even abstract cutouts. Try searching in the Elements search bar using keywords like circle frame, phone frame, or Instagram frame. This instantly upgrades your layout without complicated editing. Now let's move on to grids. Grids are different from frames because they automatically organize multiple images into a clean layout. Instead of manually aligning everything, grids do the spacing for you. Scroll in Elements until you see grids. Click on a 3-column grid. It will fill your entire slide. Now drag 3 different photos into each section. Notice how Canva automatically resizes and aligns them evenly. If you want to adjust the spacing, click on the grid, then use the spacing and border controls at the top toolbar. You can increase or decrease the gap between images to create a more minimal or more dynamic look. Grids are perfect for portfolios, before and after comparisons, product showcases, or social media carousels. They remove guesswork and keep everything symmetrical. Now let's talk about mockups. Mockups are one of the most underrated features for beginners who want to make their designs look realistic. Instead of just showing a flat image, you can place your design inside a phone, laptop, book cover, t-shirt, or packaging template. There are 2 ways to use mockups. First method, inside Elements. Search for keywords like laptop mockup, phone mockup, or book mockup. Many of these act just like frames. Drag your design or image directly into the screen area and it will snap into place. Second method, use the built-in Apps section. Click on Apps from the left panel and look for Smart Mockups. This allows you to upload your design and automatically preview it on realistic products and devices. The best tip I can give you though, which I wish someone told me when I was just starting as a graphic designer, is that when using mockups, you need to keep your background as simple as possible. Let the product stand out, resize the mockup, position it properly using the position tool at the top, and avoid overcrowding your slide. Filtering and searching properly will save you time and improve your workflow instantly. To apply any of these features, simply click or drag them onto your canvas. Insert your photos, adjust spacing, resize, layer properly, and keep your layout balanced. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it. You now understand how to use Canva's frames, grids, and mockups properly as a beginner. Once you start organizing your designs with structure and realism instead of random placement, your projects will immediately look more professional. If you want to learn the next beginner Canva feature that will instantly improve your workflow, check out the next video and let's continue learning Canva fast. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.